So let's discuss a problem from GATE 2021 physics, and this is related to the angle between magnetic field and the largest possible value of the total angular momentum. So the problem is the spin S and the orbital angular momentum L of an atom precesses about L. The total angular momentum, the total angular L, the total angular. So we know that L plus S is equals to J. So if suppose this is a J vector, so L would be precessing with some angle. So this is some L like that. So orbital angular momentum, and S would be so like this. It would be precessing. So like this. So like this it would be precessing the form of a cone. In the same manner, if this is a spin angular momentum vector, it would be precessing. So like this. So something like this. So we must have got this. So L plus S is equals to J. So precision means just so like this vector just precessing about in this manner. So we know about this precession, and next thing is J precesses about an axis fixed by a magnetic field. So J is precessing about an axis fixed by magnetic field B1 is equals to 2 beta z cap. So the magnetic field here is in the direction of z. Of course magnitude is 2b naught. So if this is z cap vector, let us suppose, that means z axis, in the direction of the z axis this is. So this is the direction of magnetic field B1. So where B0 is a constant, J is precessing about this magnetic field. Now the magnetic field is changed to B2. So it is changed from B1 to B2. So here B2 is in along X, Y and Z cap directions. It is not in particular X or Y or Z direction. So it is having this kind of direction. So it is just changed. Given the orbital angular momentum quantum number. So this is the orbital angular momentum quantum number. So this is the orbital angular momentum quantum number, that is L is equals to 2, and spin angular momentum, that is half. So theta is the angle between B1 and J for the largest possible. So here theta is the angle between L and J for the largest possible values of total angular momentum J and its Z components, the value of theta. So here we were given that this is this here it is given that J precesses about. So here J is precessing about this magnetic field. So this is J. So it is just precessing about this magnetic field. So it might be making some angle. So while precessing, so theta is angle between B1 and J. So that is theta is the angle between B1 and J, and we need to find the angle between for the largest possible of total angular momentum. So let us see this. So here, so as it was already given, L is equals to 2, S is equals to half in the question. So this is already given here, L is equals to S is equals to half. So from this what we would have, the J values would have. So yeah, this is nothing but LS coupling. So here J value ranges from L minus S to L plus S. So L minus S, that means 2 minus half to 2 plus half. So 2 minus half, that is nothing but 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 2, and 2 plus half, that is nothing but 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. So here 5 by 2 is nothing but the largest. So why largest means they're asking for the largest possible values of total angular momentum J and its Z component. So here we need to consider largest possible value of J. So out of 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is the largest. So we are taking into consideration this largest value. So J is equals to 5 by 2. So for this now if we see, so the value of mj ranges from minus j to plus j. So minus j to plus j. So minus 5 by 2 with an interval of 1. So minus 5 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half. Minus half plus 1 is nothing but half. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 5 by 2. So these are the possible values of mj. And magnetic field, it was given b1 to b0 in the direction of z cap. So here that is this is z, here also it is given. So the angle between b1 and j is theta. So now jz is nothing but j cos theta. So what is the meaning of this? Means, so actually here this is j vector, so it would be having z component, x component, y component, everything. So z component would be in this direction, that is in the direction of magnetic field, because the magnetic field b1 is in the direction of z cap, so it also would be in the direction of z cap. So this is nothing but j cos theta. So angle between jz and so just like we have, so this is a resultant vector, velocity vector like that. So this is nothing but Vx component, this is nothing but Vy component, angle between resultant V and Vx component is nothing but theta like that. So here also in the same manner we are having some angle between B1 and J. So Jz is in this direction. So Jz is making an angle theta with J. So hence Jz could be written as J cos theta. So J magnitude of J into cos theta like that. So just like we write V cos theta, Vx is equals to V cos theta and Vy is equals to V sin theta like that. So here it is J cos theta, that is magnitude of J. And we know that Jz is nothing but mh cut, eigenvalue of Jz matrix. So mj h cut and so magnitude of J is nothing but root over J into J plus 1. So this is that, and here root over J into J plus 1 h cut, and this cos theta as usual. Now h cut would get cancelled, and cos theta is nothing but, so sending this to that side, so it would divide mj by root over J into J plus 1. So for now, as this is for the largest possible values of angular momentum, so J is 5 by 2 and mj's largest possible value is nothing but 5 by 2. So mj's largest value is nothing but J. So hence mj 5 by 2 and J 5 by 2, just we need to substitute. So after calculation here in the denominator 5 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 7 by 2, 7 5 is 35. So 2 again square root of 4 would be there, so 2 would get cancelled, 5 by root 35, so root 35 is nothing but 5.92. So after getting divided we will get this. So cos theta is nothing but this, so theta is nothing but cos inverse of this, that is nothing but 32.33 degrees. So they have asked us to find the angle, so that is 32.33 degrees. And also, so this is the possible solution, one of the possible solutions. And next is in the question they have also mentioned that magnetic field is changed from B1 to B2. So now we have found it for B1, this theta. Now we need to find it for B2. So after changing, what is that? So for that, so B2, this was given B0 into x cap plus root 2 y cap plus z cap. So first of all we need to find the angle between B1 and B2, then only we could find remaining things. So B1 dot B2, that is A dot B is nothing but AB cos theta, so magnitude of B1 B2 cos phi. So let phi be the angle between them. So B1 dot B2, so we know that B1 what they have given is only z component is there, 2 B0 z cap. So 2 B0 z cap, only that one is there in the case of B1. So this is nothing but B1. So in the place, so after the dot product, so here also z cap is there, but not we are not having x component and y components for B1. So only z components will come. So 2 B0 into this B0, because B0 into z cap is there. So that is nothing but 2 B0 square. And next thing is, and we know that magnitude of b1 is nothing but 2b0, and magnitude of b2 is nothing but, so this magnitude of b2, that is nothing but b2 dot b2, so that is nothing but square root of this b0 square plus 2b0 square plus b0 square. So overall we would get 4b0 squares, that is nothing but square root of 4 into b0 cos phi. So next next thing is, so here two b naughts are there, that is b0 square, and these two will get cancelled, so that is number 2 cos phi. 1 is equals to 2 cos phi, that is number cos phi is equals to 1 by 2, and we know that cos 60 is 1 by 2. So angle between b1 and b2 is nothing but 60. So in total, the angle between b2 and largest possible value of j is nothing but theta plus phi. So actually this is like b1, and this is like largest possible value of j. So now if we draw b2 here, so the angle between b1 and j is theta. So now if we draw a b2 here, so angle between b1 and b2 is nothing but phi. So finally if we see the angle between j, largest possible value of j and b2 is nothing but this theta plus phi. So hence, that is this theta plus phi. So hence we have written here theta plus phi. So theta is nothing but 32.33 degrees. So this one, and 60 angle between both of them. So 60 plus 32.33 is nothing but 92.33 degrees. So this is for the B2. So these are the answers. So in the answer key it was given from between the range 27 to 93. So here we have got 32.33 degrees and 92.33 degrees, which is between the angles 27 and 27 and 92. So these are the solutions. So this is the problem. So thank you.